So listen, over the past 3 years, I've been able to make hundreds and thousands of dollars selling software products online that I did not spend 1 second actually creating, coding, or even spending any money to actually have up, live, running, active, and ready to sell, all because I figured out how to execute a business model called white label software that was going to allow me to start playing in the trillion-dollar industry of software and AI software. I know at first that might sound absolutely fucking crazy, but if you actually watch this video, I'm going to be showing you how not just myself, but tens and thousands of other entrepreneurs have adapted to this business model and are joining and starting the tech entrepreneur community because it just makes a lot of sense in a very uncertain world. This is a industry that actually seems promising, sustainable, and I'm going to show you by far one of, if not the, I'm telling you, one of the most profitable business models that anybody could start as a beginner entrepreneur in this space. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into it. There are actually two ways to start your very own software product online without having to be any bit tech savvy or write a single line of code. I'm going to show you what both of those routes actually are in this video. And then lastly, I'm even going to give you an intro into how you can make your first couple of $1,000s selling software with your very own live and active software solution in just under 30 days. Everything set up, payment processors, websites, everything else in between. So just watch this video and you will see if this is something that you believe you can actually execute in this period of time. So first off, all of the owners of these huge software companies that you all know, Alex Hormozi, Iman Ghatzi just invested in WAP, all software companies, but ChatGPT, AI software, Zoom, Canva, anything that's created through code is software. So how did these products actually get built? What did the owners of these companies who are no smarter than me and you actually do to have these software products available to sell, and how did they sell them? Well, to their credit, over just the past 60 or 70 years as software has been around, the only way you could actually start your very own software product was if you either knew how to code yourself and you coded the product yourself, or you actually went ahead and you paid software engineers to actually go and bring your software idea or solution to life. But now, due to recent innovative technologies, you do not have to go through any of those barriers of entry. So solution number one, you can actually now let AI code softwares for you. Yes, this is one of the most valuable parts about AI that people don't know about or think about. You can use AI to create yourself any application that has been created right now today in the entire world, which is kind of weird to think about, but very, very true. And it's one of the more scary parts about AI, but it's amazing to me how many people have not realized that this is something that they can actually do. And I'm going to show you the site to actually go and do this with in a second here. Option two, you can actually white label software. So this is where you can actually take pre-built software products and features that are already created and coded for you. And then you can actually rebrand these software products, choosing just the features that you want to sell. And then you can actually own your very own live and active software with your domain name that people can go to www.yoursoftware.com and have access to your software solutions without having to spend literally any time or money actually creating it yourself, other than going to canva.com and creating a business name and logo and buying a domain name. What you are looking at right now are two options to actually give you a chance to actually go and build yourself a sustainable business that can pay you for the rest of your life. This is how you can actually start generating not just hundreds, but thousands and even tens and thousands of dollars in monthly recurring subscription-based income, selling software, getting paid the exact same way that these other software companies do. People basically in any asset class or any financial class, whether you're poor as possibly can be or whether you're middle class making 100K, whatever, does not matter. Anybody, no matter what you look like, can own a $100,000 software product as soon as tomorrow. So let's go ahead and see how. So this right here is lovable. As you can see, it says idea to app in seconds. So this is very true. You can literally just type up what you want this software to do, what you want it to code for you, and it will do. This software can not only code softwares, but it can code websites and paid advertisement pages and templates, whatever the case may be. You can literally just go ahead and type in what you want. So I just told Lovable to create me a software that helps business owners get more Google reviews. I want a purple themed software and I want users to be able to text their customers from my software to help them get more Google reviews, basically. And what does it say? Oh fucking K, Google review text blast, business review builder. I love to create this for you. Okay, here's the color palettes. Here's the V1 design. What this will do is create a rough draft prototype of a real life Google review software. There are $100 million software companies like Bird Eye who do nothing but help business owners get more Google reviews. And you can actually just keep prompting Lovable right here and, you know, go ahead and nitpicking what you actually want your software to be. Worst case scenario, you just have to pay a developer to get the bugs out, which can be just literally a couple of $100, but worse, a couple of thousands, of course, which is a very, very fair price when you're talking about the value that you can actually bring with these software products and be ready to sell as soon as next week. link. What you are looking at right now is going to be creating hundreds and thousands of millionaires over the next 5 to 10 years. And you can be one of them if you just choose to dive in and execute this business model like I did. So I will leave the link to Lovable in the description. You'll get a longer free trial when you sign up with that link. Now, option number 2, but if you want to be honest, this is option number 1. This is what I did to start my software businesses. When I first got into this space, this is the main company that I actually promoted. And this is what I recommend for the average viewer. If you have no sales experience or entrepreneur experience, whatever the case may be, I suggest you go ahead and you start this first. This is going to be the best for the average person who's, working a job right now. You can't necessarily dedicate all of your time to executing the software. So you need to make sure you make the start to dollar amount time as quick as possible. So this company right here is a $1 billion company right now. So once you create an account with High Level, you can get free access with the link in the description. They actually have a marketplace full of pre-built software products, features, and AI software products and solutions that are already 100% created and coded for you. So you can actually browse through the type of softwares that you want to sell: CRM software, data management, e-commerce software, employee management, SEO, search engine optimization software services. So very, very cool software tools and products and features. But the thing is, none of these software applications are for High Level to actually sell themselves. So if I go to their software and click on this white label tab right here, I can actually upload my very own logo, branding, colors, and domain name onto their software. You can literally go to Canva and get yourself a professional grade logo done in like 20 seconds. And just like that, you can rebrand High Level's entire dashboard, put your own logo right here, and your very own live and active domain that people can go to yoursoftware.com with. Literally all you have to do is go and get yourself a website like this around what your software actually does. This is a template, so you just have to customize this very good website. And if you click on High Level's reputation tab, you can actually white label a software product that helps business owners get more Google reviews. So as you can see right here, it says you can now create AI powered review agents to generate personalized review messages. You can set up these automatic text messages for business owners to send out to their customers, leaving them a Google review link. And you can even charge for every single message that these AI bots actually send off of these businesses. So just get paid per message that you actually even send off, which is amazing in itself. So you can also make some more money there. So listen, all you have to do is go to Webflow, get yourself a website template like this. This is just a website template. You customize it towards what you want your software to do. We help business owners get more Google reviews. And now you literally have a live and active software that has been proven to scale past literally $100 million per year. And I do know this for a fact because this company called Bird Eye, that is exactly what they do. Reviews AI. They help business owners get more Google reviews using AI. $100 million company, $100 million website that you are looking at right now, and you can literally have something that's better. If you log in, watch their demo, and get access to their software, it will be something similar to what you just saw. So that is exactly the 2 routes you can take to start entire software empires right now today. If you do want to learn exactly how you can do this for yourself, then go and log into my community, get access to the 100% free step-by-step tutorials showing you exactly how to start, execute, set your account up, how to actually go and figure out what your software is going to be about, how to market your software, everything else in between. And as soon as you do, you will get access to me. I'm on calls all day with all of my students, all of my guys and girls who I actually teach to go out and execute this every single day. I would love to connect with anybody who obviously watches and resonates with my content. Of course, like and subscribe if you have found this video valuable or interesting, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.